BRI has been able to push and ensure that the continent of Africa get access to key infrastructures. We've seen roads that have been constructed. We've seen ports that have been constructed. We've seen railways that have been able to be constructed. You look at Kenya here, we have the SGR. SGR starts from Mombasa, basically bringing things in and then be able to push them to Nairobi, the capital city, and other parts. These are the things that have really transformed and changed the continent of Africa and specific countries like Kenya. This is a way to ensure that we promote economic cooperation and ensure that everybody benefits. And this is the uniqueness of BRI.